Hello and welcome to the TGIF Network. My name is Andy G7LRR and today I'm going to be explaining how you can have an ID Talkgroup using one of your DMR IDs. Okay, so once you're logged into the TGIF Network and you have an account, up here in the top right you'll see that you have your call sign. Okay, so you click that. If you already have a talk group, if you're like a talk group trustee or SysOp, you'll know about the managed talk group. If not, don't worry, you're soon going to learn. So we go to last heard, and with your own personal DMR ID, so everyone should know the DMR ID, but if you just forgot it, you could look up your DMR ID in your user security. Once you have that, you can punch it into your radio or dial it into your hotspot and just key the mic. Okay, so we've keyed the mic once, and here we see now that on this DMR number here, the ID number is under talk group. We have an ID talk group, a talk group with your own ID. Once you click that once, this talk group will be created permanently and you can manage it under your call sign under managed talk groups. You'll see you've got 3 tabs, you've got access control, you have the trustee control, you have your own last heard, and your own sessions page at the bottom, so you can see who is connected. So now you've made this ID talk group, you could get one of your friends, could key it in, and they'll be able to join you, where you could have your own, say, even private ID talk group. If you need to know any more information about how this legacy works, or stealth, or herd, or even just the ACL rules, please refer to previous videos that we've made on this. This is just basically a quick video to show you how you can make your own ID talk group. If you don't want your own ID talk group, you can literally just go to the trustee control, hit the delete, and this word here, you would type it to here or cut and paste it here and just press confirm, and now you no longer have an ID talk group. Okay, thank you very much for watching. As always, if you need any more help, please go to our frequently asked questions or the forum, where there's a load of help. If you do register with the forum, please use your call sign to register. Also on the Discord, you download Discord, set an account up, please use your call sign when you get to Discord. Failing that, you can always raise a ticket with support at TGIF.network. Thank you very much for watching.